Hi, in this video, I will introduce the Xiaomi S20 robot vacuum cleaner, and then I will show you what needs to be done to maintain the device. Let's start with the unpacking. This type does not have a central drain tank. When you pull out the drawer, you will immediately find the user manual. We can take out the other parts and the vacuum cleaner from under it. The charging adapter is a 12-watt unit. Remove all the wrapping foil from it for better heat transfer. There are two contacts on the charging dock which are used to charge the vacuum cleaner. Remove all protective foil from this as well. Connect the adapter to the dock and then the other half to the outlet. We also receive detailed instructions for use with the device. We can also find a microfiber snap-on mop. The device has a suction power of 5,000 pascals. Remove the abutting braces from it. The device has two driven wheels with spring suspension.
The two-in-one dust compartment with water tank has been removed. Please do not immerse it.
The dust tank and water tank can be removed from the back. It also has a HEPA filter. The next step is commissioning. Snap on the deflector brush and squeegee. After a long press of the two buttons,
Turning on. Please fully charge the robot vacuum before use to ensure an optimal user experience. Resetting the Wi-Fi connection and entering network configuration mode.
the device enters connection mode. You can add it to your other devices in the Xiaomi Home app.
Connecting to the network, please wait. Connected successfully.
If the connection is successful, the application displays some informational videos. And here, we can create our own map. If we are satisfied with these, we are also done with the installation. If you start the vacuum cleaner for the first time, it will go through the room and map it the first time. This will not be necessary later, as it has a built-in memory and can automatically recognize which room you are in. In the application, we can observe the position of the machine in real time. If you have covered the entire area of the room, you will start cleaning. It is easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. When the cleaning is finished, it goes to its place and starts charging We can see this in the application as well. Let's test it with materials of different grain sizes. Here, I am sending it to a designated area in the application, so it only goes to the section marked in purple. It is clear that most of it is picked up by the vacuum cleaner and only a minimal amount remains between the fibers of the carpet. I put it to the test and pour vacuumed powder onto the carpet, then rub it in. Here, unfortunately, a lot of dust remains between the carpet fibers, and a traditional vacuum cleaner is needed. It roughly collects chips that have fallen on a hard floor surface. But I sent it through again. I poured coffee, then brought it to the floor, and mopped it over it, fully wetting it. Although it seems that it has become clean, it can be seen when wiped with a dry cloth. It is not. Although the manufacturer says to clean up everything in the way, I put it in front of an obstacle course. He picks up the charger and drags it for a while, eventually surviving. However, I do not recommend leaving any cables behind. Although it didn't pass all the tests flawlessly, they were far more than an average cleaning. So it is a great help in the household, even if you sometimes have to vacuum with the classic vacuum cleaner. The microfiber mop is easy to clean. It doesn't hurt to clean the vacuum cleaner more thoroughly every 1 or 2 months. In the lower part, we can take out the rotating brush with the patent. We can also snap off the deflector brush. We can clean them more easily with the included tool. A significant amount of dust can accumulate in 2 weeks. But you shouldn't worry about the HEPA filter either. If everything looks clean, all the parts can go back . And our machine is ready for use again.